Mutito-ini wa Chebangang ni kuo tafarira ya mai ya muigana wa shiringi milioni 380 itanyitwo gwakwo ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Bomet na ruhonge rwa Red Cross. Mihango ya kuruguria waki wa tafarira ino igitongorio ni gavana wa kaunti ya Bomet oigite aikari a wodi itanyihire 3 nio matanyitwo kuguneka na tafarira ino iria waki wayo ukinyirie gicunjie kia 7.
Beneficiaries of this project will cover around 3 wards, that is Chepchabas, Kuna Kimulot and Boitam. It will cover a total of 42,000 households. That is not a small population, because in household we have an average of 5 to 6 people. So when you multiply that by that, you will see that it is a very huge population. I want to assure the residents of this area that we are going to fast track so that we complete the project.
The partnership that we have, we really appreciate. It's a great partnership that I assure you cannot be found anywhere. And we are happy. We are working together to alleviate human suffering and also to make sure our people of Bomet County, especially the people who live along Chebangang, have a good life. And for sure, life is water. And we thank God for this opportunity and our contractor and everybody who is involved.
Tafarira ino ni mwe wa iria thirikari ya Bomet yaranĩire gukinyaniria kuri aikari thutha wa icigo nyingi mwena uyu gukorwo magithie thabari ndaya kumatha mai. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.